Hey guys, Apple has officially released today iOS 12.1 Beta 3 to registered developers. Public beta testers, you'll most likely see the next beta later this afternoon or most likely tomorrow at the latest. Now, this comes right in the heels of iOS 12.0.1, which was released yesterday to address many Wi-Fi connectivity issues, LTE connectivity issues, also charging gates, and many other issues with iOS 12. But this one is a little different. This is iOS 12.1 instead of iOS 12.0.1. I see that a lot of people were confused at that yesterday. So yesterday we got the public release for 12.0.1, and today 12.1 Beta 3 has been released to developers. Now with iOS 12.1, we're going to see new features and a bunch of enhancements to the software, including some of the new features that will bring dual carrier or dual SIM support for many carriers here in the United States, including T-Mobile, AT&T, and Verizon, which are participating in this year's rollout for iOS 12.1 coming from Apple with the next software. Now, if you're going to update this software coming from iOS 12.1 Beta 2 to Beta 3, you're going to see approximately anywhere from 250 to 350 megabytes on this update. And it brings a bunch of improvements. Of course, we're also anticipating a lot of new emojis to be released with this software. As you see here, over 70 new emojis will be released with iOS 12.1 in the near future. Now, I haven't had enough time to test the battery. Of course, this was just released an hour ago, and I haven't found many new features and changes. Of course, I'll have a follow-up video for you guys on those. I also want to talk about expected release date for 12.1. And it looks like from this point on out, we'll be on a 1-week release beta cycle for 12.1. So we could see at least 2, maybe 3 more betas before its official launch. And we could see iOS 12.1 officially hit our devices as a public release anywhere from the 29th to November 5th. Between those 2 weeks is when we can expect iOS 12.1 to be officially released to the general public. So of course, stay tuned for that. A follow-up video will be coming in regards to battery and performance. Let's go ahead and run a benchmark here just to see what the numbers look like. So here are the numbers: 4808 single core score and 11464 multi-core score. I do not have any additional records for this device because I just started using this device. However, the numbers do look good. As I mentioned, I'm going to have a follow-up video. I'm going to be looking through the software for any additional new features, changes, or enhancements, and of course, testing the battery. So stay tuned here to the channel for a follow-up information on iOS 12.1 Beta 3. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.